In this part of training, we explain how to add a space and also consequences of adding this space to our load calculations. One of the most important things in the HVAC is this. In the HVAC, mechanical engineers use space, but architects use room. We use a space to calculate thermal load or cold load, and it is necessary to add a space. Otherwise, we can't calculate anything. So the first step is adding space. Okay, I select level 1. I want to select linked file. It is impossible to select it. Okay, and the bottom right corner, you can see this tool. If it is multiple sign over there, it is impossible to use it. So I click on that. Now I can select the linked file. Now it is necessary to click on edit type button and check the room bonding. I don't do this. If I don't do this, I have to go to Analyze tab and select the space. I want to put the space into the rooms. It's not shrink to all the room. Okay. So what should I do? So I have to go to check the room bonding. It means the boundaries of the spaces. I go to edit type and check. And before that, you have to select the linked file and check the room bonding. Now I go to Analyze Space. Now all the space is defined and every boundaries is in the red frame. It's important to notice that to input the height, you have to input the internal roof height, architecture, calculate the internal roof. You can use the plane section. I use section like this. If the architecture didn't do this, this is the R view, these dotted line, I mean. You can put it up to see more space, but I can't see the space behind this wall. I click this to go into the section. So this wall prevents me to see. So you can cut your section line into 2 pieces. You can use a split segment for this. I broke my section line. I can see here. Now again, I broke here. And I broke here too. Okay, click and modify to deselect. Now I can see here, 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 and also here, according to my section line. 6 spaces I can see, and I want to see these two. I select a split segment 2, and now I can see this space too. Click on modify button. Now I can separate the space levels. Right click on mechanical levels, duplicate view, duplicate. I use duplicate, okay. Duplicate for this level too. Now I want to make subdiscipline named space. I select the duplicated levels from the properties window. I change the discipline to the mechanical and subdiscipline to space, and click upper, apply. Okay, now a space is separated for these two. If you mention this, now it is impossible to change its discipline or subdiscipline. Everything are disabled. So what should I do? Whenever this happened, your view template has been activated. None, okay. Select this. I go up and subdiscipline into this space. Rename it. I rename it to space L E level 1. Copy this and use Ctrl C, F2 to rename, Ctrl V, number 2. I separate this because I want to change the settings. Into the upper level, I want to change the dock settings. So I come here and add spaces.